woke up this morning and the birds were all singing as if to praise you, Lord. That sound filled the air in the place where I was laying, and that just reminded me that you are God. So I sing praise to you like the birds that are singing. I won't let them praise you all alone. So I sing praise to you, my God and my Father. Oh Lord, I love to sing praise to you. Jesus, when you walked down here, many cried, Hosanna. They praised you for things that you done. I remember the times you've been there for me. You truly are Hosanna to me. Oh Lord, I love to sing praise to you.